Nia in Swahili means purpose. Nia Pure Nature was founded with the intent to provide unadulterated and uncompromised, pure and natural health products. Our ingredients are grown using farming practices that not only adhere to organic farming standards but go beyond to regenerate the soil, protect biodiversity, and be fully ethical and sustainable. Our freeze-drying dehydration methods ensure that our plant-based ingredients retain their maximum level of potency to provide the highest quality products available in the market today. By buying directly from farming families, we are able to support them with a sustainable income whilst improving and preserving their own health and natural environments. We are proud to have a direct relationship with the farmers who grow and supply our botanical ingredients. This is of great importance to us as this allows the farmers to fully benefit off their crops, all the while avoiding any environmental degradation and improper processing of our ingredients. We use 100% cruelty-free and natural botanical ingredients that are vegan, organic, and GMO-free.